I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question on aptitude test using divisibility rule. Question is, a natural number is divided by 9 if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 9. That's the divisibility rule for 9. If n is a positive integer, for which of the following values of p is 34 times 10 to the power of n plus p times 10 to the power of 2n divisible by 9? And you're given 5 choices. You can pause the video and answer the question. Now this is kind of tricky. Let me tell you what is 10 to the power of 2n. 10 to the power of 2n will be like 10 to the power of 2 times 10 to the power of n. That is 100 times 10 to the power of n. Okay. Now that is a hint for you. You can now pause the video and solve the question. Here is my suggestion. The number given to us is 34. Let's write down here 34 times 10 to the power of n plus p times 10 to the power of 2n. So 10 to the power of n is kind of common. So let's common factor it out. So we get 34 plus p times 10 to the power of 2. That is 100, right? So we could write this number as 10 to the power of n, 34 plus 100p, right? So if you add these numbers, like p100, do you see that? When you add these numbers, as far as the digits are concerned, what are you going to get? So you'll get a number which will be equal to, let me write here, 10 to the power of n is outside. So that is, you're going to multiply by any number, maybe 10, 100, 1000. So it is going to add some zeros to it, right? As far as the addition of digits is concerned, it is not going to contribute anything. But when you add 34 to 100 times p, right? So it will be actually like this, p34. Do you see that? When I add 34, this is ones, tens, and that is in hundreds place. So that is going to be your number. So when we say that the natural number is divisible by 9, if sum of all its digit is divisible by 9. When you add these three, then you should get a number which is divisible by 9, or p plus 7, p 3 plus 4 is 7, right? Or we can write p plus 3 plus 4 should be 9 times something, right? 9 times k or whatever. Okay. So then only this number will be divisible by 9. So out of the choices given, what is the combination? So we have 3 plus 4 is 7. If the combination could give us 2, then we have the right answer. So p could be 11, right? So that is one combination. 11 can give us, if I write this as 11, I get 10 to the power of n times 1134. Now if you add 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. This number can be divided by 9, correct? The other combination, if possible, look for it if you get it. We have to somehow make 7 plus something could be 18 also, right? So that is same as adding 11, right? So that is probably the only answer here. If I add 4 to 7, then I get 11. 11 is not product of 9. If I add 9, then also you don't get the answer. 7 plus 7 is 14. 13 plus 7 is 20. That is not the answer. The only answer here is 11, right? So if p is 11, then you get a number which is divisible by 9. I hope that helps. Thank you.